Panasonic and its hi-fi brand Technics have brought a ton of great audio gear to CES 2019. They're one of the few companies that did bring a ton of stuff. And right now we're checking out the new headphones, the EAH-F70N. Now you wouldn't expect Technics to have a wireless headphone, but this looks like they're going to be doing wireless right. These headphones have HD, they do high resolution audio through Bluetooth, and they have a lot of really cool features as well. You can see they have a pretty premium looking design, and it's also really ergonomic. They swivel like that, of course, they fold in so you can take them on the go, and you can see each of the earpieces will rotate on a 360-degree angle. There's a lot of padding here too, and a nice leather covering there. Now there's no touch controls per se. Well, there is one touch control, and that's the one we're starting to see more on headphones. We really like this. You're able to go like that, and that creates an ambient awareness because these are noise canceling headphones. So if you're on the train, you want to hear what the conductor has to say or the overhead message, you can just push that and you're going to get ambient sound around you. Now, I said they have noise canceling. They actually have 3 different versions. They have one made for buses, one made for planes, and one made for regular sound. So the first 2 are going to be for drones. The other one's going to be just for the sound around you. And you can see there's another tangible control here for volume. And then, of course, they have 40mm drivers inside. And so far, we think they sound quite good. There is a ton of detail here. Very sparkly, very shimmery sound. We're going to have to listen to them more to see exactly how that all ends up in a review. But they also have a long battery. We don't know how long the battery life is, but they said they've only charged them once, and that was before the show. So we expect them to have around 30 hours. That's kind of the new peg for these high-end headphones, the high-end wireless headphones. They're also going to be priced a little higher than we expect from other brands like Sony and the like. They're going to be around $450 or $500. We'll have to see if they're worth it, but it's nice to see Technics getting into a wireless headphone, and so far we like what we've seen.